Well, in any activity that we undertake, we need to make measurements. That's always been one of my primary objectives in my profession and my goals and the opportunities that I undertake. I've always felt that it's better to measure than not to measure. And even though I know that structures respond more to climatological effects than they do to vibratory effects in terms of crack width change, that's not understood by the general public. And saying something is not the same thing as measuring it. You should never rely on your own thoughts on how fast you were going. That's probably not a great idea because it's all relative to your past experience, right? We human beings we're all sort of relativists. Does this feel different than it did yesterday? Well, that's not a really good measure of some scientific phenomena. You need instruments that are not subject to subjectivity. And we humans are somewhat emotionally involved in our own life, and we have subjective opinions of things that are radically and can be radically different than actual measurements. So therefore, I think you should always measure, and that's a much safer thing to do than to just have an opinion.